If you guys could have been buyers in 2007, not sellers, then you'd be rich today. What did Blackstone do in 2007, 2008, and 2009? They just started buying houses everywhere. Tens of thousands of them. Okay? Now, the reality is they're still buying today. They move stuff around. Okay, let's talk to a caller. Cardone Zone, real estate investing made simple. Is that Jesus on the phone? Jesus, my man knew something about some real estate. Now, if he'd have been buying for his church back in the day, if he'd have bought the Galilea, if he'd have bought the where else could he have bought? If he'd have bought that freaking lake that he walked on,
the Red Sea.
Oh, the Red Sea.
He parted it.
He should have stamped that as his.
Oh, was that mine?
Okay, what's up, bro?
I almost hate to tell you, my name is Jason. After that intro.
It's awesome, dude.
I have a deal for you.
Give me a deal, dog. That's what we do on this show.
I'm trying to convince my father-in-law, instead of buying a new truck and boat, to invest in real estate in the Midwest.
Yeah.
It's a absolute net land lease. A restaurant, chain restaurant owns or leases the restaurant. It has a 25-year lease on it.
Yeah.
It's $700,000, 10.73 cap,
yeah,
9.18 cash on cash.
Okay, good. So it's got $70,000 worth of NOI. That's a 10 cap. I think that's what he said, right?
Yeah. 10.73. Yeah,
right,
exactly.
Yeah, so it's 77,000. That's the NOI. So it's almost on 11%. I like that the guy's being accurate here, by the way.
Yeah, but
it's got a restaurant sitting on it, though, right?
Yeah, and he said the cap was 11%. I'm curious to hear why.
No, but it's
the
a restaurant.
cash on cash is 9.8.
Yeah, because your cash on cash. What Ryan's saying is your cash on cash should be higher than your cap rate. Always, by the way.
Especially if you have leverage as well.
Unless you got a bad debt. Could have bad debt on it. It's got to be assumed.
But
you guys are like, whoa. Y'all just got overwhelmed, right? I can feel the audience like, whoa. Okay. hey, what's producing this income? That's my first question.
It is a lease for a Jack in the Box restaurant.
A lease for a restaurant. Okay, now that concerns me.
Why does that concern you?
Because you see what I always say, guys, is this.
When you count on one.
Cash flow, dude. Cash flow, scale, time, and location, okay? The cash flow, you want to challenge the cash flow, not for 1 month or 2 months, but 2 years from now, 3 years from now, 4 years from now, 5 years from now. Okay, the cash flow, the reason we like this better than the boat, because the boat doesn't produce cash flow.
It's a liability, depreciating asset.
The truck probably doesn't produce land flow, right? Cash flow. Mm-hmm. This land right here, so basically he's got land with a little income on it. Is there something you plan on doing with the land in the future?
I want to keep the restaurant on it. I mean, it's the restaurant that's on it right now. It's a drive-through. It's the only drive-through that's allowed in the city now, and will ever be the only drive-through allowed in the city.
That's cool. What city is it?
It's in a suburb of St. Louis.
Yeah. Okay.
What suburb? That makes a big difference. I lived in St. Louis for 4 years.
Upscale. I believe it's Wildwood.
Wildwood?
Upscale. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
How long has it been on the market?
2 months.
2 months. Okay. So, what's your concern about it?
I want to hear from your perspective about what you think about it. Like I said, I'm trying to convince my father-in-law. He lives in San Diego, so he's a little apprehensive about doing something in the Midwest.
Yeah.
He can't really get anything in San Diego for the money he has.
No.
He put 200 grand down.
Yeah.
You know, and this will. I'm trying to diversify him away from. He's owned a service business for 30 years.
Yeah.
I'm helping him grow that business. But
so look, man, when I come back from the break, I'm gonna show you that I think you should pay like. I mean, if you want to be in the restaurant business, because that's the business that you're getting in. I do like the story you just told me about.
The only drive-through in the
city.
The
only drive-through. I think the number's 641,000. You're going to probably have to put 300 grand down on that deal. Is that right?
We can put down 2.
Okay, good. Put 200 grand down.
Yep. You're going to finance
I'm going a little long on my break here, but that's fine. 441. 441 is going to probably cost you about $280 a year. It's making how much? No, it's going to cost you $28,000 a year. Watch this.
Making 77.
Yeah, it's making 77. These guys are going to make $39,000. I'm sorry, $49,000 on a $200,000 investment. That's a 25% return a year. Dude, in 4 years, you get your money back. That's the worst case scenario. You got the only drive-through in whatever town this is called, okay? If you could get LeBron to drive through one time, then I think you're good for the next 3 years. My name's Grant Cardone. You're in the Cardone Zone. As they say in London, Cardone. This is the Cardone Zone. Real estate investing made simple. Today we're talking about why cash flow, scale, time, and location are vital. I'm telling you, listen to what I'm telling you. America is on sale. The reason you guys think everything's expensive is because you stay in one place.